Hi, this is Brent Stevens with ZingBooks. Welcome to the tutorial for creating a new account. It's real simple. We've made it as easy as possible for you guys to create a new account. If you come in here to the ZingBooks homepage, the login page, which is app.zingbooks.com, and you click this sign up button. Click here and it will bring you into the Find Your Club. This is essentially the Create New Account wizard. So what you will do if you are creating a new account is you will click the state drop down and choose your state. Now if your state does not exist, you'll want to come down here and register your club. Okay, and in that instance there's a tutorial that shows you how to do that. It's really simple. But we have to make sure that the ZingBooks platform is acceptable in your state, county, or your club individually. So we would have to contact club leaders and that type of thing to make sure that it is okay for you to use our platform. We do try our very best to mimic all approved record book layouts, so hopefully it shouldn't be a problem. But we want to make sure before you spend any money, we don't want you spending money and then finding out that your club leaders at some level will not accept the layout as we produce it in ZingBooks. So we just want to make sure that you don't spend money that you don't need to. So in this case, as Florida is our beta site, so Florida here, I will choose Florida. So at that point, all of the counties in the state of Florida that have been approved will show up in a drop-down list. Okay, so if your county doesn't get it isn't showing here, then you're going to want to again register your club with us down here, and we'll make sure that we can get your county on the list. Okay, and once that happens, once your county's approved, you'll see a whole list of your clubs in the next section here. So I'm going to choose Hardee County, and so I've got Florida as the state, county, Hardee, and I have another drop down that has all of the clubs. Now Hardee County is an approved county in the state of Florida, so we've already preloaded all of the 4-H and FFA clubs that are in Hardee County that have approved ZingBooks as a platform for their record books. Okay, and if there are any other counties, or I'm sorry, any other clubs in the county, like Boy Scouts or anything like that, any specific troops, these would show up here as well. Okay, so as of right now, we have 4-H and FFA clubs. So I'm gonna choose a club, and you'll notice that the next button is highlighted now. Okay, so I will go ahead and click next. This is where you're going to enter your information. So I will go ahead and enter let's go with Jason Daly. Okay, so we'll just say his username is going to be Jason D. Okay, pretty simple. Now if you hit one that's actually already been used, we'll give you a message, just like Google or anywhere else does. We'll give you a message that the username's already taken, in which case you would be able to enter another one. Okay, the email down here, we do have some students that may not have email addresses yet. In this event, use your parents' email or something like that, so that we would be able to communicate with you via email without any trouble. So we'll just do jasond@gmail.com. Okay, and we'll enter a password. For this, I'll just do test. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the next screen. Okay, now in this instance, it says Hardee has covered the cost of the account. What this means is that in this scenario, the county, which is Hardee, through their organization in some capacity, their county has covered all of the costs for the groups underneath them. Okay, so that does happen in some occasions. Okay, we may be in a situation where that's not the case. So I'm going to back up here, and I'm going to choose another county, and I'm going to choose a club. I'm going to choose Highlands County, and I'll choose Country Clovers, and I'll go through this process again. So we already have this information. We saved it, and I'll click here. Now, if your county hasn't paid for all of the app fees for the members in the county, this will pop up. It shows $9.95 for a 1-year access. You enter your credit card, your month and year of your expiration, and your CVC number, and then you can hit confirm, and it will actually process it. Notice up here, it is a secured processing page, so that we protect all of your financial information for you. We make sure we keep that's kept safe. We do not actually keep any of your financial data on any ZingBooks servers, just so you're aware. We don't have any of that data we keep. We actually send this information to a processor, and they process the payment, and that information is kept on their very secure servers, and we that way we make sure that you're protected. Okay, so if that is the case, I'm going to go here. Let me do this, and I'll go. So if that's the case, I'm going to type in, this is actually just a test number that I will do here. Okay, and I'll do this, and then you got to enter a zip code. Okay, now so if I do this and I hit confirm, it's doing a submit here. Okay, so the payment processed, and it brings you to the dashboard here, where you can go ahead and you can start creating your own projects and things like that. So if you want to create a project, you can come in here, you can create your different project types and stuff. So it's really that simple. So if you log out here, if you remember, the username was Jason D, and I can't tell the password because Jason would be upset. But anyway, I remember the password, so I'm typing that in here, and I'm clicking OK, and boom. So just that simply, your account has been created, and you're able to start entering your record book information. So that's really it. If you have any questions, you can always contact us at support@ZingBooks.com, and we'll be happy to answer any questions that you have, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. But thank you for choosing ZingBooks. We really appreciate it. And again, we're always working with our clients to improve our software. If you have any recommendations on how we can improve the product, please let us know, and we'll be happy to communicate with you and work with you to help make our software better. Okay, so thanks so much. You have a great day, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.